Can we gonna eat it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, is it good?
Hey guys, you should come here. I don't know about this place much, but my friend. I will post location. And
What do you call
just
that?
Come here and then just eat all the berries here. And they're gonna.
What is it called? That one.
Saskatoon berries.
Yeah.
And girls, if you don't have your lipstick, you can just do like this. See? And just do like this.
One, two, three, four.
Cheers.
Me?
One of my friends, she just hold the camera.
Oh my
Sorry.
goodness.
She's gonna meet you after.
Faster!
So you try the raspberry.
Gusto ko yung ano to. Say Saskatoon. Oh my goodness, look at her.
So there is 3 beautiful girls.
One more.
Hey, it's so pretty. So many. It's big.